Hey guys, good morning. So yesterday I was running late to a doctor's appointment and I quickly got my makeup, got ready in like 10 minutes because I was so late. I got in the car, went to the doctor's office, and as I was sitting there at the doctor's office thinking, wow, I did so good in my makeup. I did so fast and I actually look so put together. I'm not embarrassed at all. I don't feel like I look like I have no makeup. Like I just look put together. And I would totally do this every day. That was like a perfect routine. And then I started kind of scrolling through your guys' comments and I saw a comment that said, please do a 10-minute, I'm late, I need to get out the door, makeup look, because you've never done that on your channel. And that's so right. I was thinking about it. I've never done a makeup look for when I'm running late, quick 10 minutes, something to get me out the door fast. I've never done that. I've done the gym makeup or the quick like a minute or two or whatever makeup look, but I've never done a, hey, I have 10 minutes to go, I'm running late type of makeup look. And so I thought, hey, I'm gonna do that tomorrow. And today is tomorrow. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my quick 10-minute makeup look. And this is exactly the products I used yesterday and exactly what I did that I just thought all day long I looked put together. And so I hope you guys really enjoy this. And yeah, so that's what we're doing today. Let's just get started. Oh, so before I get started, I always want to say it's totally customizable. You add whatever you want, you take out whatever you want. It's definitely matters what is important to you on your face. So for example, if that doesn't make sense, it will make sense. For me, I cannot go out the door without my eyebrows being done. This is my eyebrows not done. I cannot go out the door without my eyebrows being done. I'll wear no makeup on my face, but my brows will be done. So brows are a big deal, and then concealer right underneath the eyes, or so I don't look so tired, because I am so tired all the time. Those are my two main things. And so whatever is important to you, if you don't care about your brows, but you care about having lashes on, skip the brows, do the lashes, things like that. So whenever I'm running late, that's what I think about. What do I care about? I do that first, so I always do the brows first, and then whatever I can do after is just like complimentary, yay, I got it done kind of thing. So whenever creating a look like this or thinking for yourself, okay, what can I do in 10 minutes? Think about what is the most important to you first and go down that list. So yeah, let's just get started, bring you in close, and let's do some brows. Okay, so like I said, it's really important for me to do my brows, so that's always the first thing that I do. And usually I will do the transparent fluffy brows, but when I have 10 minutes, I don't have time to be putting soap on my eyes and doing all that kind of stuff. So what I just basically do is I just grab my brow Stylist definer from L'Oreal. This one is, I'll list them all down below as well. This one is in the shade Light Brunette, and we're gonna do some brows. And I'm pretty quick at doing this now. Like as you practice, you'll get pretty quick at it too. So let's do some brows. And I like them to be thick and feathery, and I don't need them to be super precise, but you'll see how fast, like I'm almost done with this brow already. And the reason why, just so you know, is because my brows are already shaped. Make sure your brows are shaped, they're cleaned up. And then whenever the time comes when you need fast makeup done, you can do it because everything's shaped and done. Boom, one brow done. Boom. See the difference? See what I'm talking about? I can't go out without my brows done. Like you trying to get stuck in it. I am under pressure, so I told you guys last time in that tag video or whatever, the do my makeup tutorial following somebody else's. I'm not good at under pressure makeup stuff. Okay, boom, my eyebrows are done. That literally took me not that long, and if I'm by myself, I'm up close to a mirror, I'm just like so fast. If you're not fast yet, don't worry, you'll get to it too. You'll get to it too, you'll get to it too. Okay, 2, foundation and primer for me. I like to put on primer because I totally find that it's fast. No reason why I have to skip it. And so this is just the L'Oreal Infallible Glow Lock primer. I've actually really been liking this one, so this is the one I'm using today. I like it a lot, and it's so quick to just put something like this on my face. And then foundation. So this is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow in 205. This is a perfect match for me. I'll put all the other matches down below if you just are curious. In every video I have those. But this, and then I'm going to use a Morphe Y7 brush. When I'm going out the door, it's something fast, I don't have time to wet a beauty sponge, anything like that. I just grab a brush and I do it quickly. And also with this foundation, since I don't have time, I'm just gonna drip it on my face, is usually what I'll do. Put a couple drops. I totally just got that in my mouth. Did you guys see that? Oh my gosh. This is fast makeup, fast. Oh my gosh, it's ridiculous. Okay. And I will definitely do my eyes because I'm not gonna have any eye makeup on. So any veins and stuff, this is just gonna make everything look just 10 times better without putting on any eyeshadow. But again, if eyeshadow is important to you, eyeshadow and base, then go ahead and do that. There you go. So quick. Like I told you guys before, concealer is a big must for me. I'm not gonna do anything brightening or anything, just the same, this is the same color as my skin. I'm gonna just do this inner corner and just a dot right here because I have like this dark spot from just pregnancy. So literally so quick, nothing too crazy. That's it. I'm just gonna use that same brush. I just tap, tap, tap a couple times and then it's all done. So quick. Already done with concealer. Then I'm gonna take my Morphe Y1 and I'm just gonna powder it all. So this is the Wet n Wild Pressed Powder in Warm Beige. I can't talk about this enough. I love this so much. So I'm going to set everything so quickly. Not gonna be particularly like precise. I'm just kind of slapping it on everywhere. This is seriously so quick and there's no need for you to have to skip out on foundation. You can still have everything that you want on your face, but doing it quick, like you can totally do that. So I'm gonna contour, and so this is something that I always do. This is the Wet n Wild Dulce de Leche, and this is something that's a little bit warm, but not too warm. And I use a bigger brush. So I use the e.l.f. complexion brush, and I don't just contour, it kind of just becomes like a bronze contour cheek. So if I don't have time for blush, it's okay. I have some color on my cheek, so I'll be fine. And so with this brush, it's just perfect. So just literally, that's it. Couple swipes, and we're done with that already. That's it. I won't contour my nose, I won't do anything else. I'm pretty much done. And then with this same brush, I'll go in with a blush. So this is the LA Colors Spice. I love this so much. You guys know I talked about it in my favorites. And so just something light to give me color. And that's it. We're done with that. And so the order that I'm doing it, gets to a point where, hey, if my 10 minutes are up and I have to go, I'm okay with going like this. This is totally fine. So just do it in the order to where if you can't do anything last, I always leave the lip last because I can do that in the car. So I just take it with me, so it's always the last thing. But we're basically done, that's all I do. Next is just some lashes and then I'm done. I grab my lippy and I'm out the door. So this is the lash, this is the mascara I'm using. This is the Voluminous Lash Paradise. L'Oreal, yes. L'Oreal Lash Paradise is what I'm using. So I'll just curl my lashes really, really quickly. I don't have anything on my eyes. No color. I could have grabbed just a pencil brush and dipped into the bronzer and just sculpted out my crease if I wanted to. Sometimes I do that, but honestly, I don't really care to do that. And then I'll just do some quick lashes here. Some quick mascara. And sometimes, like depending on where I'm going, so if I were going to school, to errands, to the doctor's, mascara. If I was going to like a wedding, to church, to something where it's like, it's fancier, I would skip the mascara and pop on some lashes is what I would do. And then for sure I'll take the lippy in the car. So I can take out the lippy time, take out putting on mascara time, and I'll put lashes on because they'll make such a difference. Lashes make such a difference. I have to not talk when I'm doing this. Like honestly, that's good enough. That's good enough. I could pop out, I could go out the door. I just need something to make me look like my eyes aren't bare. There we go. Lashes done. Last thing for me is my lippy. This is the Lip & Co. Nearly Nude. So just literally the tiniest amount. Blend it in. And that's it. That's it. This is my go-to 10-minute makeup look, guys. It's over, it's done, it's finished. This is how I look in 10 minutes, ready to go. And I think it's pretty put together. I mean, the blush and the bronzer makes such a difference. When you want to look put together, the blush and bronzer makes such a difference. So even in my no makeup look, when I just have concealer, no foundation, or my no foundation makeup look where I have no foundation, I always put on bronzer and blush because it makes such a difference. It just makes you look put together. So also, whenever I do a look like this, a 10-minute look, I make sure to pick a foundation because I have dry skin that's not gonna look dry on my skin, that I don't need to add a spray because a spray does take time. So I don't usually get a spray if I'm trying to be quick, but I have to make sure I put on a good foundation. So this Pro Glow and the powder together, it's perfect. It looks beautiful. I don't need to set it with the spray. And so it's really, really good. If you were gonna be gone all day, yes, get a spray. Make that a priority. I love the Milani Set and Spray. That's a really good one. It's gonna set your makeup and help it last all day. And it's also gonna melt in your makeup so it looks so beautiful on your skin. So just kind of listing off things that are most important to you, and depending on where you're going, what you're doing, like I said, sometimes I'll do lashes and it's a priority. Eyebrows, lashes, concealer, blush, bronzer, lippy out the door is a priority. Sometimes lashes aren't a priority. I'm just going in errands. I don't need to have fancy lashes, and this mascara is good enough for me. So yeah, that was a pretty easy, quick tutorial. Probably the fastest tutorial that I've ever done while talking here on my channel. So this is it. This is how it ended up looking after 10 minutes of worth of makeup. This is how put together you can look. And I hope that you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. I've never done a tutorial so quickly where I talk in it as I have today, if that even made sense. This was a fast tutorial, even though I was talking. I was really impressed with myself. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give me a big old fat thumbs up if you did. And if you have any more requests, comment down below, because I do read them and I do them. So yeah, I guess I'll just see you guys next time. Bye guys.